Audio Jungle.
Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize Paper Rip Transitions template. For this tutorial, I prepare edited video. I set the sequence size to 3840 by 2160 pixels and 24 frames per second. Let's add motion graphics templates files to our Essential Graphics panel. Just select the MOGRT folder you downloaded before. You have now loaded all the transitions into the Essential Graphics panel. Let's select any transition and add it to our editing. Put transition above cut. We need to export input frame for our transition. Move current frame indicator on the last frame before transition. Click on camera icon as I do. Choose Import into Project option, then choose Export folder for the frame. For this tutorial, JPEG will be enough, but you can choose any other format you like. Click OK. Your still frame will appear in the project file. Drag and drop still frame in media holder as I do. Move current time indicator to the first frame after transition. Export frame. Drag and drop still frame in media holder as I do. Let's render it. Looks okay for me. Let's add one more transition. This template contains high-quality paper textures, and my machine have only 2 GB GPU, so in my case, I prefer to render it, to see what we got. In this case, we simply repeat everything we did before. Move current frame indicator on the last frame before transition. Export frame, then drag and drop frame into media holder. Move current time indicator to the first frame after transition. Export frame. Drag and drop still frame in media holder as I do. Let's render it. For last example, I want to use a multi-image transition. We simply repeat everything we did before. In this transition, we have 4 images, input frame, output frame, and also we need a couple image for the background. Move current frame indicator on the last frame before transition. Export frame, then drag and drop frame into media holder. Move current time indicator to the first frame after transition. Export frame. Drag and drop still frame in media holder as I do. Just use any other images you like. For this tutorial, I will be using the images we used before. Let's render it and watch all transitions together. This tutorial is over. Now you can customize other transitions and make your mind-blowing videos. Thanks for watching.